So hi everyone. So in the sequence detector, so today I will discuss. So in this part, I will discuss the detect the sequence 101. So with the help of the Moore machine. Okay, Moore machine I will discuss in the upcoming video. I will discuss the same sequence in the Mealy machine also. Okay. So in this video I am discussing detect the sequence 1010 with the help of the Moore machine. Okay. So here, firstly, I will discuss in case of the non-overlapping case. Okay, and again I will tell the overlapping also. Okay, so we know already in case of the Mealy machine. Sorry, in case of the Moore machine, we need one more state. So that is the n plus one state we needed. Okay, n plus one state we needed. Okay, so here the sequence is 4 bits. So 5 state we needed. I am telling name S0 to S4. There are the 5 state is there. Okay, so in case of in case of non overlapping, here the sequence I am drawing. Okay, so we need to detect what sequence 1010. Okay, no problem. Okay, so here I am starting. Okay, concentrate it. So the initial state I took as 0. Okay, here the output is 0. If the sequence is complete, sequence is matching, then output will be 1, otherwise output will be 0. This state is called the initial state. Yeah, reset state. Initial state. Yeah, reset state. And we write the Verilog code, then I will tell what are the meaning of reset. Okay, this is the initial state. Yeah, reset state S0. And one thing, in case of the Moore machine, in case of the Moore machine, in the denominator side, here I will write the output. Here I will write the output in the and on the upper side I will write the state's name. I will write the state name. Okay. In case of the Moore machine. So here if I apply at S0 state, if I apply 1, the sequence is matching. If a sequence is matching, it will go forward. Here the next state is S1 and output is 0. Okay, and this state name I am telling, this is the 1. Okay, so one is matching at S1 state. If I apply, if I give 0, so 10 is again matching, 10 is again matching, so it will go the next state, that is the S2 state, and output is 0. Okay, and this state is 10. So this state name is 10. Okay, again 10 is matching. If I apply here the 1, the sequence is again matching. 101 is matching, 101 is matching, so it will go forward, that is the S3 state, and output is 0. So this the state name 10101. So this is 101. Okay, I hope you understand. I am telling from very basic. Okay, so this is the 101 here. If I apply here 101 is detecting, if I apply here 0, the complete sequence is detected. 1010, the complete sequence is detected. The detected. So last state is S4 state. Okay, if the complete sequence is detected, then output will be 1. Sorry, no. The complete sequence is detected, output will be 1. Okay, and this state name is 1010. Okay, now this is not a complete FSM. Okay, this is not a complete FSM. So you need to start from this. So you need to start from the S0, and you should tell like that. Okay, then for every state we have a two option, 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1. We have a two option at S0 state. At S0 state, if I apply 0, at S0 state, if I apply 1, then sequence is matching 1, means 1 is matching, so it will go forward, it will go forward. But if I apply 0, the sequence is not matching, then it will be remain at the same state, it will remain at the same state, that is the initial state and recessive state. Okay, so two option is completed. For every state there are two option is completed. At S0 I am coming back at S1 state, S1. So 1 is matching. If I apply 0 at S1 state, if I apply 0, so then 1 0 is matching, 1 0 is matching now, so then we will go forward. But here if I apply here 1, if I apply here 1, then what I will do? 1. So 1 1 it is not matching to any one of the state, and 1 1 is also not matching here, 1 1 is not matching now, so I will remove one bit from the starting. I will check one bit. If the two bit is not matching, I will check one bit. So this one is matching. Yeah, this one is matching here. So I will remain at same state 1. Okay, I hope you understand. At S2 state, so we have a two option is also there. At S2 state, if I apply 1, then 1 0 is detected. So 1 0 1, if I apply 1, then we will go forward, because of that the 1 0 1 is matching. But if I apply 1 double 0, if I apply 0 only, if I apply 0 only, then 1 0 is not matching to any one of the state. Here you can check. So 1 0, the 1 double 0 is not matching. Okay, so we will remove one bit from starting. 0 0 0 0 is matching, no, 0 0 is not matching, then we will check one bit. Yeah, 0, it is not it is, if it is not matching to the any state, then we will go for initial state, then we will go for initial state, this is the 0. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so firstly 3 bit is not matching, then we'll check 2 bit. 0 0 also not matching, and 0 0 is also not matching, then we'll go the initial state. Okay, and at S3, if I apply here 0, the 1 0 is complete matching, then will go the next state. But 1 0 1 is already detected. If I apply 0, if I apply 0, it will go forward. But if I apply 1, what I will do? If I apply 1, what I will do now? So if I apply 1 0 1, if I apply 1, the 1 0 1 1 is matching. No, it is not matching to any state. So we'll so 4 bit is not matching. We'll check 3 bit. We'll remove 1. 0 1 1 is matching. 0 1 1 it is not matching. Then we'll check the 2 bit. 1 1 is matching. Any one of the I am matching to the state. So 1 1 is matching, means 2 bit state is matching. No, I will check 1 bit. 1 is matching. Yeah, 1 is matching here. So I will go here. I will go here. So this, if I apply 1, then it will go like that. Okay. So and again here this thing I am deleting. Okay. Now, at S4 state 101 is detecting. So at this state we have a two option is there. We can apply 0, we can apply 1, but the sequence is detecting. So see, 1 0 1 0 is detected. So here we can apply only value is, if I apply 1 and 0 we can apply. So in case of the non overlapping, in case of the non over I am drawing non overlapping course, so we will remove the starting point. So we will remove this fourth thing, we will check only this 2 bit. So if I apply 0, so it will go the initial state. If I apply 0, it will go the initial state. Okay, and if I apply 1, if I apply if I apply 1, if I apply 1, then so 1 is matching which state? This state. So it will go here. So it will here, I am drawing in another pen, it will go here. Okay, so if I apply 1, okay, this is the one. Okay, so this is the complete FSM. Okay, this is the complete FSM of here. I hope you understand this point. Just for understanding, I'm deleting this thing, so that it will look good. Okay, Okay, so this is the complete FSM of the 101 detecting. So 101 in case of the non-overlapping. So in case of the non-overlapping detect, I told. Okay, so this is the non-overlapping sequence. I hope you understand well. Again, I'm telling once. Okay, so firstly, whatever the sequence is given, 1010 is given. Okay, in case of Moore machine, one more extra state be needed. One more extra state. That is the 5 state we need. I am telling S0 to S4. I am starting firstly. I will start S0 and output is 0. This is the initial state. If I apply 1, sequence is matching, we will go forward. Like that you can do. At S1, if I apply 0, sequence 1, 0 is matching, we will go forward. At S2, if I apply 1, it is matching, we will go forward. At S3, if I apply 0, it is matching. So it is not a complete FSM. It is not a complete FSM. Okay. So then actually for every state we have a two options. So we go for again at S0 state. If I apply 1, sequence is matching, we'll go forward and this state name is 1. Okay. But at S0, if I apply 0, it is not matching. So we'll remain at same state. No, come back at S1 state. At S1 state, so at S1 state we have a two option is there. One already detected. If I apply 1, if I apply 0, sequence is matching, it will go forward. But if I apply 1 sequence is not matching. Now if a sequence is not matching, then we will check the 2-bit state is matching to any 2-bit state is matching, 10 is not matching. So we will remove 1 bit from the starting and we will check the 1 bit. 1 is matching, we will remain at the same state. I hope you understand. I am revising again. At S2 state. At S2 state, we have a two option is also there. This state name is 10. So 10 we already detected. 10 we already. So here we can apply 1 and 0. If I apply 1, sequence is matching, it will go forward. But if I apply 0, then it will look like 100. So 100 is matching. No, it is not matching to the any state. Because of that, 100 is not matching. No? So we will check to the any state. It is matching. 100 is not matching. 3 bit is not matching. Then we will check the 2 bit. 00. 00 is also not matching 2 bit. So we will check lastly. Firstly we check this. If a not matching, we clear this thing. We will be match 2 bit only. Then last bit only. So it is not matching to the any state. Then we will go the initial state. At S3 option. At S3 state. At S3 state, 101 is detected. We can apply 0 and 1. We have a two option. If a 0 we apply, then we will go forward, no problem. Because of that sequence is matching. But if I apply 1, then 1011. It is not matching to the it is not matching to the 4 state. Then what I will do? Then we will remove 1 bit and we will check the 3 bit only. 011. 011 it is also not matching. Then we will check the 2 bit. 11 it is also not matching. Then we will check 1 bit. 1 is matching. Yeah, 1 is matching. So here we will go 1. In this case, 1. S3 state 1. Okay. And the S4 state at the last 1010 is detected. So in case of the non-overlapping, here is 1 and here is 0. Okay. In case of non-overlapping, we delete. Sequence is already deleted. If a 1, we will go the state 1. Here we will go the state 1. Okay. Okay. At the state 1. If I apply here 1, we will go the at S1 state. And if I apply 0, it will go the initial state. So this is the complete FSM. So this is the complete FSM of 101 detecting using using Moore machine in case of the non-overlapping. So this is the complete detecting of the sequence. Here I complete detected. I hope you understand well. In the later video, I will explain the overlapping. Overlapping means nothing. Here, for idea I am telling. So in case of overlapping at S3 it will be same. It will be same. It will be same for our, but in case of overlapping, everything will be same. Overlapping, everything will be same. But in the last 1010 and 10 and 10, and in the last we will apply. In the later video I will also discuss, no problem. Okay, so 10. So in case of overlapping means we already was there at the previous state. So we will leave 1. So we will leave from starting 1 bit and we'll check only the 2 bit. Okay, so if I apply 0, in case of the 0 it will be same. So I'm using another color. Okay, that is different color I am using. So this color I am using, sorry, not this color, I am using this color. Yeah, this color. So in case of the overlapping, in case of overlapping, if I apply 0, so 1 bit will remove from starting and we'll check 4 bit. 0100, it is 0100 matching 4 state, no. We'll check the 3 bit. 100 is matching, no. 00 is matching, no. 2 bit not matching, 0. So if I apply 0, then no problem. It will go like that. Same thing will happen. Same thing will happen. Okay. The same thing will happen. But if I apply 1, then what I will do? So then, so 4 bit will match 0101. It is matching, no. So 101 is matching. So yeah, so this 101 matching. So in case of the overlapping here, only these two thing will change. Only these two thing. I think we need to change the color. I hope this color is visible. Yeah, not. Yeah. So in this case, in case of overlapping, only this thing will happen. In case of the one, this is the not overlapping case. No problem if you don't understand here. In the next video, I will explain overlapping. Okay, here I told. So this is the complete FSM of otherwise I am removing. Okay, otherwise I am removing this thing. Okay, no problem. So this is the complete FSM of the non-overlapping in case of the Moore machine. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you understand this. Otherwise, we can discuss one more question in the next video. Okay, so thank you.